Alright guys, so if for some reason you replacing the engine on the 08 or 07 Honda Fit, or I believe 10, 9, all the same. Some stuff are different, but they most the same. So if you drop your engine and you notice that you left this part behind over here and you already dropped the engine, so this is my tip right here. So lose this motor mount, this transmission mount right here with the two 17 bolts right there, and then bring this engine all the way, and then you can pop this back in place, and then just put the bolts back on, and the 3 bolts goes right here. Because I was like, oh, I have to remove the wheel, the CD axle nut right there, and then pop the the spindle, and then bring this up a nut. So what I did, I just removed these 2 bolts, and these things should go around back on top, and now you can put it where it goes. So I hope that helps.